I thought my life was about to change. I really thought that things were about to be so good and things were just about to go up. But man, was I wrong. What's up, guys? It is James and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to do another car talk, and I just requested my 4th ever payout. It was a 12K payout, and I've done a little bit over 45K in payouts the last 4 months, which is absolutely insane to me thinking about it, because I was kind of reflecting just over the last year how far I've really come and the position that I've been able to put myself in, because it was a tough road to really get here. I believed in myself that I would always get to this spot, but along that journey, there were times where it was rough and I really wanted to actually just give up. If you take a look, let me actually show you guys just for some proof. I'll put screenshots, but these are my emails from Top Step February 13th. I requested, and then finally hit my Wise count. Right here, I put screenshots too, if this will focus. But Top Step, as you can see, after profit splits, 10.9K, was able to transfer that straight to my bank account, which is really nice. And things are starting to get real. I was reflecting over the last year, and if you didn't know, I've been trading for a long time. It's been over 4.5 years. Started back in the end of 2021, but didn't start futures until beginning of last year in 2025. And it's been about a month, not a month, it's been about a year since I actually started learning futures. And I remember that when I passed my first ever eval on Top Step, I put a screenshot of my past certificate. I took an eval, passed it. It was end of February. I know it was end of February, and it took me about a month to actually. I took a month of learning, and then I went to evals, and I was able to pass an eval off of straight luck. But at that time, I didn't think it was luck. I thought it was all skill, and I was the most excited person ever. I thought my life was about to change. I really thought that things were about to be so good and things were just about to go up. But man, was I wrong, because right after that, I blew that funded account like straight away, and I could not pass an eval again for the next couple months. And that was just the biggest wake-up call, because it wasn't as easy as I thought it was going to be. I was blowing money on evals, and finally I was able to pass a set of evals, and it took me a long time. So I took those fund accounts very seriously. I knew that I did not want to blow those, because it took me forever to pass those, and I just want to keep those accounts. And what happened? I never got a payout from those accounts. I blew them, and I was lost. I really wanted to quit, because it took me so long to actually get those fund accounts. I went through a lot of money, and I wanted to give up, because I really thought trading was a scam. I didn't think it was for me, and I just really want to give up. My parents did not like that I wasn't in school anymore, and I was just trying to go all in on trading. I was working a minimum wage job at the time, and I was scared for myself. I really did not know if I was going to make it out. I was completely lost, and that was when I dropped my ego and I needed someone to guide me. I got a mentor, and I was still blowing through accounts. I was blowing through evals. I was not passing, and that is when I realized that trading is all a psychology game. It is really up to you if you make this work or not. And I was seeing other people. I was seeing my mentor make money with the strategy. I was given the strategy. It's such a simple strategy. my strategy is so simple, but I was still blowing through evals. I did not know why. And that was the second time where I really wanted to just give up, because even with the strategy, I was still not making any money. I was just losing my money. All my paychecks were going towards evals. And at that rate, I was going to go broke. I mean, my bank account was just going down. All my paychecks were going towards evals. I kid you not. And it was a terrible feeling. I just had to pin my stomach because I really wanted to make this trading stuff work. But in the back of my head, I was questioning myself, really questioning myself if it was going to work, because time was running out. I had to do something. I was already graduated from college and time was running out. I really had to figure out my life. And that was a scary, scary moment, because I was just very lost. And then I almost quit. I really had to talk to God and really just asked for guidance. And thankfully I didn't give up, because that was what made me emotionally switch, really lock in with my discipline, my psychology, and really make sure I'm following my rules to a T. I told myself, just follow your rules for 30 days and see what happens. And I was able to pass a set in evals, and I got to my first payout right after that. I talked to God. A month later, got to my first payout. It was a 10K payout, and it was the greatest feeling ever. And I remember just looking back at all the tough times through that year where I want to give up, the days where I was just constantly backtesting. My friends would ask me to go out and do something, and if I went out with them, I had to pin my stomach, because I'd be just thinking about trading the whole time while I'm out. I'm like, man, why am I even out? I need to figure out how to become profitable. And I would just have backtesting on my mind, like, man, I shouldn't be out right now. I should be at home backtesting. I was putting in the hours backtesting. That is all I wanted to do. But it came to a point where I realized more backtesting is not going to do anything. I just need to execute during the live markets. And I just started executing properly in the live markets, showing myself, proving to myself that I know how to trade. I know what to do. I know what to look for. And I remember the days before I got to my first payout, when I was going through evals, I was literally scared to trade. I was scared to wake up and get on the markets, because I didn't have confidence in myself. I did not know what I was going to do. I did not know if I was going to go into the markets and do something stupid, something irrational, something a profitable trader wouldn't do, just revenge trade. I had such bad habits as a trader before I got to my first payout. I was literally scared that I was going to just blow an account and I would have to reset my account, waste more money, put more money that I got from my paycheck into evals. I was scared. And now that I'm actually getting payouts, I wake up with confidence, knowing that I'm not going to go do something stupid. I know exactly what I'm looking for. I know what I want to see in the markets. If I don't see it, then I'm not going to take a trade. But now I have confidence after getting multiple payouts, 3 payouts over 5 figures. After getting multiple payouts and proving to myself that I know what I'm doing, I have confidence waking up. I'm no longer scared anymore. I used to be so scared to wake up and trade, but now I wake up just calm, ready to go on the charts. I wake up 30 minutes before market open, but I don't even open the charts until 10 minutes before market opens, and quickly just scan and see what's happening. It is so easy. It is such a simple system, what I'm looking for. And I'm so glad that I went through the process, because everything that I went through led up to this point right here, to me having the confidence in myself to actually learn. All those hard moments that I went through led up to me to this exact moment. The times where I almost quit, where I blew those accounts, it took me to get to a low point for me to actually drop my ego, look for guidance, actually go to a mentor, invest into a mentor. If I didn't go through those kind of events, I would have never invested into a mentor. And even after I invested into a mentor, I was still blowing through accounts. And that's when I almost quit for a second time. But I had to go through that second failure of almost quitting to realize it is not the strategy, it is me. And that is when I actually locked in with my psychology, with my discipline, make sure I'm following my rules. During those times, those hard moments, it could have been so easy for me to just throw in the towel and just give up. I really almost gave up, and I would not be in this position. I would not be talking to you guys if I had given up. And that is why so many day traders, why 90% of day traders quit, because they give up when it gets hard. There's going to be hard moments when you're learning how to day trade, but you have to learn from those losses. But what really just kept me going is just realizing, why am I even trading? Why am I trying to learn this? Why don't I just stick to the easy way out? Go get a job that's just stable income. Do not have to bet on myself. Let me just go find something, do something, have a stable job, let someone just pay me, tell me what to do. But no, I did not want that for myself. I wanted more with trading because I knew the capabilities trading brought me. And now everything is finally coming into fruition. Man, I cannot believe that I've done 45K in payouts. That is just crazy to me. A year ago, I believed I would be in this position right now, but 6 months ago, when I was struggling, I didn't even know if I was ever gonna get my first ever payout. Man, it is just crazy to me that I'm starting to see consistency, that I have confidence in myself, because I kid you not, yeah, the first 10K payout was cool, and that was the greatest feeling ever. Getting to my 14K payout, quitting my job, that was pretty cool as well, but I can't lie, that was a little scary at the time, you know, because I was really betting on myself that I was gonna make this work, but I didn't know, was I gonna be able to stay consistent? But the first payout, the second payout is what solidifies if the first payout was just luck or not. That 14K payout helped me solidify, have confidence in myself to actually get another payout. But after getting 2 more payouts this year, my other 8K payout, then this payout right here, this 12K payout, these payouts came from all the same set of accounts. I did not blow my accounts. I got 4 payouts from my set of accounts, and I did not blow through them. That, to me, gives me the utmost confidence in myself that I know what I'm doing, I know what I'm looking for, and I won't blow my accounts. I know what I'm doing to be able to get payouts. And that's just really, I'm just extremely happy with myself that I'm actually gaining some consistency, because when I quit my job, I wasn't fully sure if I was going to continue to get payouts, but I'm fully confident in myself that I'm going to continue to get payouts now, because I've gained this consistency, this system that I know I need to follow in order to get those payouts. But everything I've learned up to this point, everything I had to go through, you have to go through these canon events in order to get to where you want to be. And you just have to trust the process. I really trusted the process. Every night when I was talking to God, I was just trusting the process that He would get me to the point I want to be in. And I was just trusting in His plan. And it's just an amazing feeling, not giving up and actually getting to the goals that you set out for yourself, because that is what makes everything worth it. If everything was so easy to get to, if trading was so easy, everyone would be doing it. If your goals were so easy to get to, it wouldn't feel as good when you accomplished it. If people were handing you out money, it would not feel as great as making the money yourself. And I'm just so grateful that I did not give up. If I gave up, I wouldn't be talking to you guys. I wouldn't be able to inspire you guys. I hope you guys see how fast life can change. 6 months ago, I was so scared that I did not know what I was going to be doing in life. And I'm starting to accomplish my goals. I'm really seeing the journey play out. And I'm starting to help people. And it is an amazing, amazing, amazing feeling. And I want to really just continue to scale. I don't know what's next for me. What I really want to do is I want to scale up my trading. I really want to push the capabilities. Yeah, I've gotten the 10K payouts, the 5-figure payouts, but I really want to scale up. I have a set of 150K accounts now, and I really want to get to those 20, 30K months, and I want to get those max payouts. And I'm really, really excited to really push to see how well I can do in trading. So I want to take you guys along my journey. I want to show you guys the possibilities trading has. So I appreciate you guys if you made it to the end. Subscribe to this channel to watch my journey. And I'm also just created a free Discord where I talk and interact with everyone. If you guys want to see my day-to-day progress when I'm trading, if you want to interact with me, go ahead and join that free Discord. I'll have it linked down in the description below and have it pinned down in the comments, but it's completely free. I already launched it about a week ago, and we already have a good amount of traders in there. So if you want to talk to other traders, like-minded traders, grow with them, learn from them, go ahead and join it. Link down in the description. And if you want to talk to me, I'm active in there, so you'll have direct access to me to talk. Ask me any questions. And I'm really, really excited to grow that community because I love enjoying talking to you guys. And a lot of you guys talk in there, and I'm able to interact with you guys. So go ahead and join that if you guys want to. And I'm really, really excited to see you guys in there. But that is all I really have to say for this video. But really, really excited to scale up, to continue to document my journey. Life can change really, really fast. So do not give up on your guys' journey. If you guys are struggling, if everything seems hard right now, do not give up, because I went through that same thing, and I finally saw the fruits of my labor. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.